The law offices of Spar and Bernstein with 2 locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at
1-800-LAWLESS.
Brad Bernstein in the building. All right, and he's holding on to his kneecaps. So let's go to another call right now.
Yeah, she's in the. Do you hear the vibrating? He's shaking his head.
No, he's not. It's only in this room, man.
No, it's only in this room.
Yeah.
So why don't? No, it's the whole building.
Can't be the
Josh
whole
says
building.
it's the whole building is shaking.
Nah, that's nonsense.
He's saying the whole building, right? No.
No, it's only this room.
It's only this room.
Yeah.
So why don't you move the studio?
Okay, you gonna pay for it?
Squeeze will pay for it.
No, you pay for it.
I'm not paid for it.
You want it to move, right?
I'm just making a suggestion.
Yeah, and I give you an answer.
Right.
Right, so
Why don't you pay for it?
we want money. I'm broke, man.
You're the rich. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something.
Immigration
I'm gonna
link.
tell you something. You're the richest broke guy I ever met.
Oh, man. Immigration link. Don't listen to your radio. All right? Folks, when you're on the air, please do not listen to the radio. Listen to your phones. Immigration link.
Yes. Hi, brother.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
You and Chris sound like a married couple, man. You guys.
No, but this is Sean. This is
No,
Sean.
no,
This is
no.
not even Squeeze.
Yeah.
Oh, you and sound like a married couple, man.
Oh God.
Oh, God.
Please,
That
please,
bad? No, nowhere near that.
please.
No, I understand the way you guys bicker.
No, it's just humor that we bring on the radio to
Yeah,
make it
yeah,
interesting.
yeah.
That's
I
all.
love the vibes, man. I love it.
Oh, wonderful. What's the question?
I have one question. It's not about me. It's about my cousin.
What?
He lives in Boston and he's married. He got his temporary green card, but now he got a job offer in New York and he wants to come to New York to work. We're concerned that it's going to affect him when he's supposed to do the removal. Is that a big problem, Brad?
Well, are you living in Boston with him right now?
No, I'm not his wife. I'm his cousin. His wife is living in
Oh,
Boston.
excuse me. I didn't understand that. Well, it's a problem in the sense that you got to prove it's a real marriage. Okay? And the way immigration looks at a real marriage is they look at the fact that you are living together. So if he picks up and moves to New York and his wife is living in Massachusetts, it could be problematic.
Even though he has his temporary green card?
Even though he has his temporary green card. I'm not saying it's impossible.
Right.
I'm not saying that it can't be done. And I'm certainly not saying that people haven't done it before. But are
Right.
you asking me, does that pose a problem? Sure, it poses a problem because you got to prove you live together.
But he can't get a job there, so what is he going to do?
Well, then let him move to New York. He can't starve to death. Let him move to New York. Maybe the wife wants to move to New York with him.
Right.
Oh, but they have to be where they can file taxes together.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I don't know. She doesn't want to move because she's in her good job. But he's a chef, so she gets an offer here, and he wants to take it.
Right. Well, I mean, it all depends on, how often he goes back and visits. Does he live here and go home on the weekends? How
Yeah,
often
he
do they
does that.
How
He
often
goes
do they
up-
see
yeah.
each other? Blah 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 blah. I mean, there's, you have to take it on a case by case basis. But you're asking me, what's an easier case? Husband and wife living together, they both live in the same house 7 days a week to remove the conditions, or husband lives in New York, wife lives in Boston, and every other week he goes up and visits the wife.
Right. that's
What's
it.
an easier case to prove that it's a real marriage?
Right. Because
So-
he was saying that the lawyer in Boston tell him that it's okay because his name is in the rent and everything. I said, no.
Well,
don't
yeah, I
think
mean,
so.
yeah, it's okay in the sense that it's not impossible, but you're making it harder to get your permanent green card.
Okay, bro.
I'm not saying, as I said to you before, I'm not saying it hasn't been done before. I'm just saying it makes it harder. Okay? So what he has to weigh is what, the economic benefit of moving to New York versus, the lower chance of getting your permanent green card.
Right.
Okay. My friend here is signaling me too. He said he did his interview since March and he still hasn't gotten his green card yet either. They said
The FBI fingerprints are probably backed up.
Right.
Well, there's nothing you can do. You just have to harass immigration.
Harass them.
Right.
All right, Brad. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling.
Okay.
All right?
Bye-bye.
All right, don't forget the law offices of Spar and Bernstein is live on the radio right now. Free consultation. Free. R-F-R-E-E. Free, all right?
On the air.
On the air only.
$120 when you come in to see
Right,
us.
$120.
And obviously the consultation goes a little longer than
it
the
extends for
2 or
a couple
3
of
minutes.
days.
The 2 or 3 minutes we
Right.
give you on the air
All right, so it doesn't mean
extends for a week.
Yeah.
You could, right. You pay the $120. You can come in 7 consecutive days if you choose to.
Right.
To ask more questions
Of
for
course,
free.
For free.
Right.
All right. Either location.
Either location.
All right. 2901 White
Correct.
Plains Road in the Bronx.
Correct.
And in Manhattan, 225 Broadway.
Right.
All right, folks. Just wanted you guys to be clear on the consultation. Lasts for 7 days. So once you make the appointment right now, Oswald is in the building at 718-325-5555. That consultation is $120 and it's worth the dinero. Immigration Link, you're live on the air.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Could I ask Mr. Bernstein a question?
Yes.
Is the immigration fee raised?
Is this what?
Is the immigration fee to file the papers raised?
Is it raised?
Yeah. Has the fee went up?
Yes.
What's the fee now? Yeah.
For what?
Which,
For the immigration to file the papers.
For what type of papers?
which one?
For your green card.
Who's sponsoring you?
No, I know it's by the sponsor.
No one's
Somebody.
sponsoring
I'm
you.
calling for somebody.
What?
He's calling
I'm
in
calling
for
for
someone.
somebody.
Who? Not for you, but who's sponsoring the person that you're calling in for?
Right.
Married to a citizen.
$1,705.
Ouch.
If you came with a visa, if you have to qualify for Section 245I, it's 27. 1705.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
Have a nice day.
All right, man.
Bye-bye.
So what do they do with all that money that they get?
Beats the crap out of me.